Making a slime smoothie. Yeah! Making a slime smoothie. Yeah! I don't know what that was, but yeah, so I'm gonna be actually be mixing all my slime together. And it will create magic. But yeah, I was trying to act like Miranda sings so funny. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell like this, and it rings. I'm checking, it doesn't ring, but yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so there's glitter. So first, I'm adding the gold slime I made from the video. That is my slime recipe, but it's not very stretchy because I kind of left the container open. Well, like I said, it's not very stretchy because I left the container open and it kind of dried out, so. But we'll add that. That was pretty loud. A second time. Oh, by the way, this is like DIY slime I made on video, so make sure to go check this out. And it's kind of sticky now. But, yeah, I added little heartbeats, if you could tell in there. Here, I'll show you one. I'll take one out. I don't know if you can see. So, but if you can, I'm sorry if you can't. But you'll probably see it later. So it's kind of sticky. So think I broke the container. Sometimes I think I squeezed it too hard. But yeah. I kind of broke the container when I was trying to squeeze it out. Very weird. So yes. That means yes.
What have you dropped?
So, sorry that I was something. So, but now I put that one in. But I have the Nickelodeon one that I made with the Nickelodeon slime kit. Make sure to go check that video out. I know it was sticky because of the ice if you saw it, but I fixed it off camera. So, yes. It's sticky to me. Alright, so this is slime made with contact and baking soda. A lot of my slime I kind of left down, or it kind of like busted out the package, so it's kind of hard, so don't blame me. See, like this. Okay, so it's not really stretchy no more because I left it out, so I know now not to leave it out again, so kind of bad. And this, all my slimes usually are left out. Oh, this one's pretty stretchy, but it's not kind of good. But it's kind of like pink in it. But I think I left the container. Yeah, I left the container out because I kind of sometimes overfill it and then forget to shut it. So, I'm saying, so, yeah, that smells good. I don't know why. Okay, this I put Halloween slime on here because it was orange. My hand sanitizer in it, so it smells good. So, yeah. And I put too much foam beads. These are the little white dots in there. So, that's why it's like that. I put way too much. If you squeeze it, you can probably feel it. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to go into these ones. These are for like slime kits I made from, and so this is kind of grippy, I know, but it's kind of like see-through. It's pretty cool. I really like this slime. Like, you can't pull too hard, but you can pull a little hard. So, yeah, I like this slime a lot. So, I added it, but I didn't make a this into 4th of July slime. I literally, I made white slime, I made red, and I made blue slime. And then I swirled it together and it mixed and it turned into this color, and I love this too. I literally didn't shut the lid, so this is how stretchy it is. Well, it's not that bad, but it's pretty bad, I know. So if they look kind of like dried out and not stretchy, that's why. So, yeah. And this is orange slime. I tried to make it into Halloween slime, but I did mess up on. Oh, this one's actually pretty good. Oh, and this is contact solution too. The baking soda. This feels good. So, yeah. It's good than the other slimes, at least. Well, not the pink slime. I miss the slime already so much. I want to play with it. So, next, I have this pink slime that I made with Tide before. So, I'm going to move all this out to the side. Hopefully this, I'll put this over there. Okay, so, pretty regular. It's not that bad, actually. Try to take it out. It's all stuck to bag. Next time we gotta use the containers. I always feel like finding one. So, yeah. It's not coming out. Okay, we'll say that's good enough. Okay, yes, this is sticky on me. Very. Okay, I just had to play with it for a little. That wasn't even barely a little. It was not even a second. But so I'm adding that in. But yeah, that one's very stretchy compared to others. And this, I said it was mermaid slime. And very stretchy. It's because of the color. And I added like blue and gray glitter. But I tried to make this out of slime kit supplies by myself. So, but I don't really know what I did when I make it. So, yeah, I'm adding that in. And then, so yeah, next I'm adding my white glue. I keep calling these like stress ball slimes, even like this pink like kind of one, because when you squeeze it, it kind of feels like crushing Orbeez. But since I didn't really play with that out of a while, it's like kind of like stretchy now. But that's good. So I'm gonna add that in. Shabang. Now I got my erase on, and guess what? I don't miss them because I don't like this. So I think I'm just gonna mix this all. Satisfying. Oh, this is kind of sticky. Very happy. Oh, that looks so satisfying. Look at all these like rainbow colors. Looks pretty. Like that. Okay, so let's just mix it on the table. So, yeah, I just dumped it. So look how pretty this looks. It looks so pretty. And if you see those little beads, those are the heart ones I was talking about. They're all rainbow. Okay, I'm gonna mix now. That's gonna take a little while, I feel like. Oh, this is actually very stretchy. I think the pink one with the beads took over because kind of I had a lot of that and it was pretty sticky. It's like a weird texture because they have the little foam balls and beads in there. So, yeah. It's funny. It's because I had an orange piece with the foam beads that wasn't very stretchy because I added too much of them. I tried to do a slime bubble while mixing. Well, that fails. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep mixing. It's still gonna probably be like a pink color because how much pink slime I had. But I also have a lot of orange with it, so yeah. And blue, kind of, but yeah. So I'm just gonna keep mixing. So just mix. Just mix, mixing it all day. Just mix, just mix, just mixing it all day. There's like very pretty when you do this, but I'm just gonna keep mixing. And if you think there's way too much glitter, well, too bad. There can never be enough. But so check out the video where it's like DIY slime, and I added too much glitter. It's still on my scalp. So, yeah, that's the info about my scalp. It's so weird right now. It's stretching. So yeah, this is my slime. It's like a salmon color. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell now. Okay, so this is my slime. Oh, there's a bee that just fell. But I think it turned out good. But I like them separate, but it's okay. So, yeah. So, subscribe if you like it, or comment. So, yeah, this is my slime smoothie I made. And I love it very much. Bye, Smith fans. Bye. Oh! Did you record that? Blooper! It's the Smith family, and today I'm going to be making a slime recipe. So, yeah.